因伫美国纽约市的曼哈顿地区8月发生乱杀人的事件，一个51岁查甫人唔知什么款原因，举刀啊攻击无辜的民众，有造成3个人死亡。凶手是有前科的家友，目前已经被警方抓到。
曼哈顿东河边的犯案现场有封锁线，警方无用翕相存证。纽约18发生连续随机杀人的案件，一个51岁的嫌犯伫2点半钟内连续攻击3个无辜民众。头一个受害者是36岁的建筑工人，伊当时徛伫西19街瓦近哈德逊河的一个工地，莫名其妙叫嫌犯举刀毒死。2点钟后，凶嫌行去东30街附近，佫杀死一个伫东河边钓鱼68岁查甫人。30分钟后，伫联合国总部边佫有第3个人受害。
Our third victim is described as a female black, 36 years old. She is stabbed multiple times throughout her body. She is brought to Cornell Medical Center, where she is currently in critical condition.
当时，一个计程车司机拄好看到发生第3件事件，随甲警方报案。凶嫌随去互人逮捕，佫伫个身躯敲出2支墨灰的菜刀。
He is a male Hispanic, 51 years old. He appears to be undomiciled. He has 8 prior arrests, last being for a grand larceny, October of this year.
警方指出，这个嫌犯是家友，有真侪届切刀互人逮捕的记录。几个月前捌互人定罪判刑，按过是安怎？伊还佫会当伫街头杀人，目的是啥物？也有待后续调查清楚。
And there's some real questions that we need to look at on why he was on the street, and he has some severe mental health issues. That should have been examined, and that's what we're looking at as part of the investigation.
纽约市长表示，这件随机杀人的事件凸显司法体系甲心理医疗体系有漏洞，不过嘛，同时显示出治安的警讯。疫情期间，纽约地铁捌真侪届发生随机攻击RA事件。今年以来，暴力案件有增加无减少，为了防范地铁变做治安的压角，纽约州长捌伫今年3月加派1000个国民兵甲州警伫地铁系统巡逻。公视新闻詹慧敏编译。